Hello everyone, welcome to the Carousel of Connor. Today we have another Universal Resort tour here at Sapphire Falls. Let's go check it out.
Carousel of Connor.
Universal Orlando Sapphire Falls opened in 2016. This preferred resort is themed to a paradise island. From a stone turret in the lobby to blue waterfalls and a beautiful pool, this resort will make you feel like you're in the Caribbean. With access to buses, boats, and a walking path, getting to City Walk is easier than ever. If food is what you're after, there are 4 different dining options on property. As far as prices go, a standard room is currently listed at $180 per night. And guys, make sure you stay to the end of the video because we are going to show you a room of this resort thanks to Tim and Katie. They're actually staying here and I will put their channel in the link below so you can check them out. But that is the reason we get to look at the room today, because of Tim and Katie. Guys, at the end of this video, I want to talk about the live stream coming up to celebrate 1,000 subscribers on this channel. I'm also going to give details on when I'm going to announce the winner of the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So as you make your way into the main lobby, right to the left you can see they have the front desk, and this is where you would check in for your hotel when you get here. And also your family, if they're waiting for you, or if you're waiting for someone else to arrive, you can sit here. They have a really nice, beautiful lobby. And then to the left, they have additional seating here. If your family is waiting for you while you're checking or things like that, they have a nice little sitting area over here. Right over to the right when you walk into, they have the Universal Orlando Resort Vacation Planning Center. This is where you get, as you can see on the sign, plan, purchase, pick up, so you can do all your ticket, all that good stuff right here. What's nice about the lobby is they have an open entryway to the Strongwater Tavern. And you just go right in here, and look at this, guys. This is a really nice looking bar restaurant. A lot of seating. They also have some outdoor seating right outside that window too, right on the balcony. Great views of other resorts too. And you can see some of Universal from here. Really cool. Here's a really nice sitting area here at the end of the lobby. There's a giant window, which I'm going to show you guys in just a moment, right behind me. But you see this giant TV too. Really cool place to just kind of hang out and relax. Check out the window of this seating area out here. One, you have the beautiful waterfall here too. You can also see the boat coming in, which takes you to City Walk, and you can see some of the rides over there. You can see also the top of Islands of Adventure. And of course, like any Universal resort, they have the Universal Studios store. Let's go check it out. If you guys have seen any of my resort tours in the past, you know I like to look at the exclusive merch to that resort. So we're gonna start off with this Sapphire Falls mug right here for $14.99. It's literally just that one graphic. Oh no, so it's actually double on both sides. And let's see if I can do this. It's the same logo on both sides, $14.99, and they have something very similar, but a shot glass here. That's $8.95. Then if we scroll down to the shirts here, they have a long sleeve shirt right here. It's got like your basic logo, $34.95. And then if you turn around, it's got that same logo we saw on the mugs on the back of the shirt. They also have some polo shirts here too, which is like a really nice fabric. It's the one, it dries good in the rain, which would have been great for, it's great for getting caught in the rain. $44.95. They have this tank top too, and again, it's that same logo we saw on the mugs. But let's see how much this shirt actually costs. $29.95. And honestly, that's pretty much it for all the Sapphire Falls exclusive merch, which is pretty crazy. We did a recent review of Cabana Bay. I felt like they had a little more merch to offer, but not bad here. I thought they had some good options. We're at the New Dutch Trading Co., which is one of the quick service options here. You can kind of see some of the options they have here, and also their hours are open from 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. Alright, so right outside the exit of the store, or even the entrance, if you go down here, you have the Guest House 3 and also the ballrooms too on this side. And this is when you're walking into the resort, is going to be to the right side. This is from the lobby. There's actually a spiral staircase here. And guys, just check this out. I mean, this gives me some I don't know why, but it's giving me like Italy vibes. But this is like super cool. I think it's the stone. But yeah, let's just take a look, guys. Hold on, guys, don't fall. But check that out. Alright guys, so we just came from the lobby, which was level 4. Guest House 3 is right over here. You can actually access that, we already showed you, from level 4 as well. I guess the higher floors. But right now we are on level 2, which is the Pool, Kalina Health, and Fitness. So let's go check it out. Alright guys, so we're actually looking at the Calypso Game Zone, which is also on level 2. It is currently closed, it's temporarily closed, as you see by this sign here, but usually the hours would be 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. You can see here most of the games are off and everything like that, but it looks like there's a lot of good options in there. Alright guys, we're at the Kalina Health and Fitness Center. We saw it on that sign. 5 a.m. to 10 p.m. are the hours. And just by looking at it, I see some benches, I see treadmills, ellipticals, all that good stuff. You know, really anything you need for a decent workout. They even have space here too if you want to do like some like kind of like free workout stuff like that too. Really cool. If you go outside the doors of the gym and the arcade, right outside the window of the arcade, you got some fun games here too, like a pool table and ping pong. You can see the water kind of going out to the waterway there. And then if you pan right over here, guys, you have a beautiful pool right in front of us. Really nice. They have a really great like cabana area and also beach area too. You see people are kind of lounging out, enjoying their vacation. Really relaxing out here. So guys, we're looking at the resort map here, and obviously you can see it's very large resort. We're by the pool right now, so we're right over here. But we're going to go to guest house 2 in just a few minutes where Tim and Katie are staying. But let's look a little more outside. As you can see, it is a large resort though. So if you guys see right here, they have a little booth and you get your life vest. They also have towels for the guests, so really nice accommodations. Some of these rooms too, and I feel like Tim and Katie are gonna have a view just like this. Really great view of the pool. So we're walking through this tunnel where you can actually get from one side of where like the water slide is and the pool over to the drum club. And here's a look at the drum club, guys. Really cool pool bar. I love the way this is just like this building is. Really cool. If you are worried about having a place to sit outside, they do have a nice little fireplace area here. And then they actually have additional area over this way, which has a rooftop over it, which is super nice to keep you out of the rain, but it is still outside. A lot of seats here. And also, there's a bathroom right there, so very convenient. To the right of the drum club, they do have a cool splash zone for the kids. Also a lot of additional seating over here too. So yeah, no shortage of seating outside here. And here's where the slide comes out too, guys. Looks like a really fun slide. Alright guys, we're at the top of the slide. You got the slide rules right here. And if you actually see where the orange umbrella is, that is where you get onto the slide. I promised you guys a closer look of the dock, and here we are. And the boat is actually leaving. What great timing. But it's going down that way, and they're all going to City Walk. And then from there, you can obviously go to Universal Studios Orlando or Islands of Adventure. So at the back of the resort near the boats, they also have the shuttle bus right to our right. If you look right down here, you go down to the shuttle bus. Now it's going to take you to City Walk, and then Universal Studios Orlando or Islands of Adventure options after that. And then if we look back at this right here, you can also take a walk. And we talked to somebody on the boat last night here to Sapphire Falls, and they said it was about a 15-minute walk. So not bad. And I like that they have a bunch of different options too. You can take either the bus, or you can take the boat, or you can walk. So they have all 3 different options, all towards the back of the resort. So before we go up to the room, I just want to say this resort is absolutely amazing. That pool was absolutely stunning. It doesn't look like there's a bad view in the hotel just by looking at the buildings and things like that. They have a lot of dining options, and also too, they have a walkway, the bus, boat rides. I mean, 3 different kinds of transportation. So it just seems like they have a little bit of everything here. All the amenities, a really nice gym. I don't think you could go wrong with this resort. It looks really nice. I'd like to take this time to thank all my Patreon supporters, guys. It really does mean a lot. Thank you. So we're back inside the lobby. Now we're heading over to the left to guest house 2, which is where the room is going to be located. Guys, here's the backside of the resort. A pretty cool view too. We're here on the 7th floor. But there's the Royal Pacific Resort, guys. If you want to see more Universal Resort tours, let me know in the comments below, and maybe we can make that happen. Alright guys, so we're in one of the standard rooms here at Sapphire Falls. Thanks to Tim and Katie once again. If you walk right in, you obviously have the mirror right here, and they have a closet. Pretty decent size too. You can see, yeah, Tim and Katie's stuff in there too. Looks like they have an ink and paint spirit jersey now at the Character Warehouse. But then we go into the bathroom, and this is kind of cool. They have a light right on this mirror, which I've never seen anything like this, and I'm not sure exactly how. Oh, there you go. And you can adjust the brightness on it, which is pretty cool. But let's... Alright, we'll turn that off later. But then they have a side mirror here too. You obviously have a decent sized sink here. The door's pretty cool to separate this from the shower, which I think is really convenient, because if somebody's like showering, another person's getting ready for the parks, you can do that, have that little privacy. They have the bathroom right in here, and then the shower as well. It has like a little seat in there too, which is cool. And then it looks like they have some complimentary, you know, shampoo, body wash, all that good stuff. So very nice. The shower's really big. I think that's really nice, and I like this door is pretty cool too. All right, so let's look at the bedroom here. It's 2 beds in the standard room. If you go right over here, it actually looks like they have a connecting door to the room next to it. And then if you open up this right under the TV, you have a little mini fridge right here, which is super convenient. And then let's see what is in here. I'm guessing some drawers. Oh, this is kind of cool. So you open these up, they have drawers you can put all your clothes in for your stay, and then right on top they obviously have the TV with the sanitized remote. Then right next to that they have coffee. Actually, it looks like they have a lot of good options too. They have green tea, French roast decaf, all your sweeteners and things like that. So that's really cool. And then they have a little like office space too, which in my case, you know, it'd be great for like vlogging and things like that. You can edit your videos right here. They have a little desk right there. You can store things. A lot of great stuff. Looks like they got forks, spoons, if you're ordering like food to the room or just bringing food back. And here's one more view of the room. Kind of, this is from like the back of it. They have a little seat here right outside the window if you want to look at this great view. It's not the pool, but you do have like the waterway. You can see the boat go back and forth, which I think is really cool. You can also see Royal Pacific right over that way. You can see some buses going to the parks as well. Not bad. You can actually see some more of Orlando too over that way, which not bad view at all. I really, like I was kind of saying in the beginning, I don't think there is a bad view in this hotel, no matter like where you go, like where you are, because in this you can see a little more of like Orlando, but in other spots you can see more of the theme parks. In the front you can see more of the pool. So really, I don't think there's a bad view in the place. First off, guys, I just want to say thank you so much for helping me reach 1,000 subscribers, and because we hit that milestone, we are now monetized, officially monetized by YouTube, which is absolutely insane, and I'm so thankful, and literally has everything to do with you guys. And because I'm so thankful and I just love talking to you guys, I'm going to do a live stream this Friday, June 11th at 7 p.m. We're going to do a Skyliner bar crawl, which is going to be a lot of fun. It's like 4 different resorts. So guys, I want you to, you know, kind of be there with us in a way. So, you know, if you're into this kind of thing, you know, bring a drink, you know, make a cocktail at home, you know, a nice little alcoholic beverage, and we'll celebrate together on live stream. Some fun chats. We'll show you around the resort. You know, we'll have a good time. So, and during this live, I will announce the 1,000 subscriber giveaway winner. If you're still interested in, you know, entering that, if you haven't, I will link the video below. That's gonna give you all the information on, you know, how to enter that. And also, it does end on this Thursday. So Thursday, June 10th is when it's going to stop. And then on Friday, we'll announce that winner. So yeah, super excited for that, guys. 7 p.m. Eastern time this Friday, June 11th. I hope to see you guys there. So once again, thank you to Tim and Katie for giving us this opportunity to check out the resort, and especially the room. Overall, I really enjoy this resort. It looks really cool. I would love to stay here myself, so maybe in the future. But like I said, it just seemed like they had a lot of different like accommodations, a lot of different dining options, transportation. Really just seems like the whole package, and looks like a great place to stay here at Universal. And even if you're going to other, you know, resorts, this might be a good option to stay too. Obviously, you don't have the buses and things like that, but you know, it's something to think about. So thank you guys for this great resort tour. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you on the next go around.